Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 16 of Maida and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يهدي به الله من اتبع رضوانه سبل السلام. Yeah. Yeah is soft. Your tongue is lifted up towards your palate, but it is not touching it. That is making yeah very soft letter. Yeah, yeah. As your tongue does not have any muscles, it is that soft when it is lifted up towards your palate. Yeah. And give rakhawa on ha. This is a flow of sound. Yeah. D two counts long. B for kasra give E sound. Heel for kasra give E sound. And then attach with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be light here because you can see kasra before it. Heel. La. Make it two counts long. Ru for the circle lips. Ma for fatha upon jaws. Niet for kasra give E sound attach with ta. Ta will get very sharp sound. No flow of breath or sound should be there. Niet ta for fatha upon jaws. Ba for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Read for kasra give E sound attached with dod. Dod will get رخاوة and استطالة. ريض and make dot heavy too. Wa two counts long and circle your lips for wow always when you're saying wow because this is its makhraj. Na for fatha open jaws the sound short. Hu for dhamma circle your lips make it two counts long. Su for dhamma circle your lips and the sound is short. Wu for dhamma circle your lips the sound is short. Less open your jaws for fatha and then attach with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa and safir and it is light. Less and with fatha the sound will be short. Sa la two counts long. Mi for kasra give e sound. Wa for wow circle lips fatha open jaws. Yuh for dhamma circle lips attach with kha. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa and it will be heavy. Yuhri for kasra give e sound. Ju for dhamma circle lips. Hum for dhamma circle lips attach with mim. This is idgham shafawi. So you idgham brings in gunna and this gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Hum me for kasra give e sound. Now for fatha upon jaws attached with dha will get sifa of rakhawa and rakhawa is flow of sound. Now the sound should be hearable for this rakhawa. Now and then for dhamma circle lips and the sound will be short with dhamma. Lu for dhamma circle lips sound is short. Ma two counts long. T for kasra give e sound. E hamza is very sharp for kasra give e sound. Lan for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna and this gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Lan nu for dhamma circle lips. Make it two counts long. Iri, keep raw light. Whenever raw is with kasra, it is always light. Iri, B for kasra give E sound. The sound is short. Id, hamza is very sharp. Attached to the dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa and dal will be light. Id, me for kasra give E sound. He two counts long. Uwa, makhraj of waw is circling your lips. So fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Uwa, yeah. Keep ya very soft. You are not touching the palate with your tongue. So keep it soft. Yeah. And ha, it will get rakha and rakhawa is flow of sound. Yeah. D, two counts long. Him, for kasra give e sound attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut is medium flow of sound. E for kasra, give E sound. La, 2 counts long. Sli for kasra, give E sound. Ra, 2 counts long and make ra heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. Ra, qim for kasra, give E sound. Attach with meme. Keep ta heavy, but meme light. Qim and give gunna. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Qim mus for dhamma, circular lips attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa, and it has safir and it is light. As you will touch sin, your lips should be in a straight position. Musta, that is very sharp of a top on jaws. Qim. Qaf is lighter than its usual form because it has kasra, and you're giving temporary sukoon on meme because of this waqf. This temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is what mad arid al sukoon is. Mustaqim. La for fatha open jaws. Qad, qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws attached to dal. Dal will be light as because it is. Why I'm mentioning it? Because we tend to make a letter after heavy letter to heavy too, because so keep qaf heavy but dal light. Qad, kaf is very soft and for fatha open jaws, and the sound is short. Ka, fa, give hums before fa. With fatha, the sound will be very short. Fa, ra, ra is heavy. And attached lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Oral, this sound is tawassut. Oral. And then for fatha, the sound is short. La, the 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Qaf is heavy. Because of qaf, this alif is heavy too, and for fatha open jaws. Qalu, mad munfasil jaiz. Lu, circle your lips nicely. In, hamza is very sharp. And give gunna on noon. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. In, and with fatha, giving fatha attached with lam. Lam lafz jalala will be heavy here because there is fatha before it. No, no. And give the wasut first. No. And then it is long too because by default, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long. La. For fatha upon jaws. Who for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Well, for wow, makhraj of wow, circling your lips, fatha upon jaws attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Well, ma for fatha upon jaws. C, 2 counts long. Hube for dhamma circle lips attached with ba, ba will get sifa of qalqala. Hube. No for dhamma circle lips. Mar, meme, keep meme light, but ra will be heavy because there is fatha before sakin ra. Mar, and give tawassut on ra too. Mar, keep ya light, for fatha upon jaws attached with meme, and give tawassut on meme because it is with sakun now, because of the waqf. Qul for dhamma, circle ellipse attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut, and keep lam light. Keep in your mind when you are making qaf heavy, don't make lam heavy. Qul, fa, give hums in fa before fatha. With fatha, the sound is short. Fa, main. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. May, keep ya light for fatha upon jaws attached with meme. You will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Li for kasra, give e sound. Hu for dhamma, circle lips. Mi for kasra, give e sound. Now keep noon light. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Now give tawassut first on lam. La, make lam heavy and make it 2 counts long. La, he, for kasra give e sound. Shay, for fatha open jaws attach it. Yeah, and this is lean, so keep it long and soft. Shay, and hamza is very sharp, and Sifa is idhar, and Sifa is tawassut, and ruling is idhar. So keep this tanween very clear. Yan, shay, and sorry, this is no, Hamza. Shay, and in. Hamza is very sharp. Focus, give E sound attached with noon. There is idhar, so give tawassut, but ruling is idhar here. In a, Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws. Ra, 2 counts long. Da, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. I, Hamza is very sharp, and this is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. I, you, for the circle lips attached with ha will get sifa of. Rahawa, you, li, for kasra give e sound. Kal, for fatha upon jaws attached with lam will get sifa of the wasut, and the wasut is medium flow of sound. Ma, for fatha upon jaws. Si, 2 counts long. Ab, give hams before ha, and for fatha open your jaws and then attach it ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala, and keep ba and ha light. Hab, na, for fatha open jaws. Mar, keep meme light, and for fatha open jaws attached to ra. Ra is heavy, and ra will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Mar, yeah, keep ya soft. And for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ma, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Wa, waw is makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is very sharp. For dhamma circle your lips, attach it meme. You will get sifa of gunna, and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. With fatha, the sound is very short. Ma, hu, for dhamma circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. The makhraj of waw circling your lips, fatha upon jaws. Man, this is ikhfa. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Man, feel, for kasra give e sound and then attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Feel. Aw, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached to ra. Ra will be heavy, and ra has tawassut. Aw, Di, for kasra give e sound. Ja, for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Me, 2 counts long. Ain from your throat and make it 2 counts long, because this is mad iwad. You are exchanging the sound of tanween into mad letters, so you are exchanging it. That is why it is called mad iwad. The makhraj of waw is circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Lil, for kasra give e sound attached with lam, and that will be light because there is kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Lil, give the wasut on this lam. Lil, and then make it 2 counts long and make it light. La, he, for kasra give e sound. Mul, for dhamma circular lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut and make lam light. Mul, kus, for dhamma circular lips attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa and safir, and it will be light. Kus. And for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Sa, ma, 2 counts long. Wa, for waw, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. T, for kasra give e sound. Well, for waw, circle your lips. Fatha open jaws, attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Well, aw, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws, attach it ra. Ra will get sifa of the wasut. And ra is heavy because there is fatha before ra. Aw, di, for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Bay, for fatha open jaws attached. Yeah, this is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Bay, na, for fatha open jaws. Hu, for the circle lips. Ma, 2 counts long. يخ. For fatha open jaws attached with kha. Kha will get rakhawa and it is heavy and yes. Lu for dhamma circle lips. Pu for dhamma circle lips. The sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. Here keep you yeah very soft for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Sha. Whenever you are stopping at hamza after mad letter and you are giving waqf, these are the conditions where you will give nabar on hamza. So nabar is jump of sound. So give nabar on hamza. Yasha. It's like hiccup or it's like something has stuck into your throat because the sound cuts off very sharply. Yasha. The sounds cut off because of the sharpness of hamza, not because of the nabar. Nabar is jump of sound, and sharpness comes because of the hamza. Hamza is a sharp letter. Sharp letter means there is no flow of sound. Well, so مخرج of واو circling your lips فتح open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get صفة توسط and lam will be heavy here because of the fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Well, law 2 counts long. Hu for the circle lips. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. La 2 counts long. Kul for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Li for kasra give e sound. Shay for fatha open jaws attached with ya. This is lean letter. This is lean, so make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Shay in. For kasra give e sound and make this ikhfa heavy because qaf is among heavy letters, and keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Dir. Because of waqf, we are giving temporary sukoon on ra. This temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. That is called mad arid sukoon. And because of this sukoon, you will give tawassut on ra. Qadir. And keep ra light because there is ya before it. يهدي به الله من اتبع رضوانه سبل السلام ويخرجهم من الظلمات إلى النور بإذنه ويهديهم إلى صراط مستقيم. لقد كفر الذين قالوا إن الله هو المسيح ابن مريم. قل فمن يملك من الله شيئا إن أراد أن يهلك المسيح ابن مريم وأمه ومن في الأرض جميعا ولله ملك السماوات والأرض وما بينهما يخلق ما يشاء والله على كل شيء قدير. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.